All right, and in this video, we're going to be finding absolute values. In case you forgot, absolute value just means distance from zero. So when we're finding absolute value, we're really just figuring out how far away is it from that zero. So for this one, it's asking for the absolute value of -6. -6 would be here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away from 0. So the absolute value of -6 would be 6. All right. And the next question, it's asking which numbers have an absolute value of 6.3. So which of these numbers would be 6 and 3/10 away from 0? So let's look at the first one. It says -6 and 3/10. So my hint here is really I would just end up dropping the sign, and that -6.3, because it has the 6.3 in it, is going to end up having an absolute value of 6.3. -3/6 would actually reduce to -1/2, which is nowhere close to -6, or nowhere close to 6.3. So 1/2 can't be it. 6.3 would definitely be 6.3, or 6 and 3/10 away from 0. And the very last answer choice is just 6/10, which is less than a whole amount. So definitely less than 6 and not the same as 6.3. So that would be that one. And we'll do one more. So this is asking for the absolute value of -9/10. So again, all I have to think about here is if I drop the sign in front of the number, how far away would that be telling me it is from 0? And I would simply just put 0.9. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.